Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are starting with new plank series. We have included 5 exercises with lower impact for beginners. All the exercises have the effect of strengthening core muscles. So if you really like this routine, please comment below, and without further ado, let's get started. Get in plank position and do plank jacks. If you want, you can follow the lower impact. Keep your back neutral and try to engage core muscles. Get in high plank position and try to touch knee to opposite elbow. For lower impact, you can decrease the speed. This exercise has the effect of increasing strength in core muscles and arms. Get in plank position and move your hips and waist side to side, making a semicircle. This exercise works on your oblique muscles and hips. Start with low plank and with help of your arms go into high plank and again low plank. You can touch your knees to the ground for lower impact. This requires strength in your arms and core. And last but not the least, hold in plank position. Keep your core engaged, back neutral and body parallel to the ground. Hold the posture. And that's it for today.